Yo, what is up, guys? Savage here. You haven't seen me in a long time, probably. If you're a lot of the people here on the channel haven't seen me in a long time. We've been grinding away on other platforms, and one of my resolutions this year was to bring more content back to the YouTube channel and revive it. Welcome to the channel. Hope you enjoy this video. This is going to be a setup tour of what my studio looks like now, but a quick reminder, make sure that you guys come check us out over on Twitch. All right, twitch.tv/TheRealSavageRage. We stream 7 days a week. We play Fortnite. We have lots of fun. We do giveaways, all sorts of cool stuff. Come check us out. Enjoy the video. Alexa, turn on the studio lights. All right, so walking through the studio tour here, you can see the lights up there. We have the ring light, the two big overhead lights. We'll go into everything in detail, but real quick, we'll start over here with the chair, which I just recently got. This is one of the final pieces I got here with our custom Savage logo, looking pretty sick on the back pillow. It is a Techni Sport chair, super comfortable. I very much enjoy it. Moving on over to the PC, it's a custom build. It's a Core i7 8700K with a GTX 1080 Ti, super juicy, water cooled, 32 gigs of RAM. It is a beast. I have 3 Acer 144 Hertz gaming monitors that I use for my 3 screens. As you can see right there, the middle one is for Fortnite. The 2 side ones are for a bunch of just peripheral apps such as Streamlabs OBS, the Twitch browser, music and Discord, that type of thing. This is the webcam I'm using now. I just recently upgraded to the Logitech Brio. Amazing quality, so much better than the other Logitech I had, which you can see right there on the monitor for my keyboard cam. This is the Shure SM7B microphone, recently upgraded as well. Absolutely in love with this microphone. It's amazing. You can see down here it has to use a Cloudlifter amplifier in order to get pretty good level, like volume wise, because it's a pretty quiet mic. We have the Elgato Stream Deck. It is a necessity. If you stream, use it. It's easy. It's a beautiful thing. We have the fast charger right there. We have the Alexa. Hello, beautiful. She's just a wonderful assistant. She helps us out with our streams every day. Our preamp that we use is a Focusrite. Basically the mic just plugs into there and it provides power and additional boost. I do have our sub counter, or our follower counter right there for Twitch. It's pretty juicy. We have the Elgato HD60S anytime I'm playing console games, as well as the Ember mug. Guys, you got to get this. If you drink coffee and you want coffee hot all day long, check it out. It's beautiful. I set the temperature at 136 degrees and it stays that way. There's my mouse right there. It is a ultralight Phantom. I love it. Super lightweight. It's a beautiful mouse. What else we have? We have the heater and the cooling units right here. Don't mind the spots on the ground. Yeah. Over here we have guitar and amp. I mean, it's just in the background chilling. I also have a machete there if you want to really pay attention. Just, you know, in case the zombies come out. Back here is the green screen. Is a huge green screen. I have to have it rolled up, but it actually goes like probably another like 6 feet out. It's pretty insane. Over here is just a ton of additional stuff that I have, as well as some boxes for a lot of the peripherals that I use. You can see, you know, headphones, keyboard, mouse, all that type of thing. I have an iPad stand, some old keyboard and mouse, as well as if you're an OG and you know what this is from, comment down below. You win $1 million if you know what that's from. I know someone knows it. My boom arm, by the way, is a Rode boom arm, in case you're wondering. A couple of other peripherals over here, some controllers. I don't even play Xbox, but I have one from when I used to use it for the PC. Some extra cables, mouse, my Rubik's Cube, because, I mean, you got to play it, dude. You got to play with it. You got to use it, whatever. We got some foam padding back there to get rid of some of the echo in the room, as well as a 55-inch Samsung LED curved display TV that I don't even use, unfortunately. Big rip. That's basically it. It's kind of a short and sweet tour. I've kind of, I mean, some of this stuff I've had for a little bit of time, but as far as like the majority of everything that you're seeing right here was basically I was able to get this year. All the stuff I was doing on all these side contracts, I was doing some other platforms and stuff with base pay for streaming. I used 100% of all that in order to upgrade my setup to get it all looking juicy for you guys. Quality is great. We can play on PC now. We play Fortnite on PC. It's done. Like, my setup's finally done. I love it. Hopefully you guys enjoy. And yeah, make sure you guys check us out over on Twitch. Twitch.tv/TheRealSavageRage. We do stream 7 days a week. We'd love to have you there hanging out. And as always, guys, stay savage.